this episode, I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube activity history. Sometimes after watching videos on YouTube, you want to clear all YouTube history from your device, but you don't know how. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to get it done. Before we start, make sure your YouTube app is up to date. To do it on Android, visit your Play Store. In the search engine, type YouTube and make sure it's up to date. On iPhone, visit the App Store and make sure your app is up to date. After that, you can proceed to open your YouTube. Then on the top right corner, locate your icon and click it. From there, locate settings and click it. In settings, locate history and privacy and click it. And the history and privacy, you will see pause watch history, pause search history, manage all activity. Here you could also see clear search history, but we are interested in manage all activity, so proceed on manage all activity. Under this, when you scroll down, you could see all the videos that you have ever been watching on YouTube. All this history is captured here. So in order for you to delete it, you can proceed to delete videos that you don't want it to be featured in your watch history, or you can decide to delete all videos. So for instance, if I want to delete videos, I will just proceed on delete icon here. So you can delete the videos you watched today. You can delete the ones within the timeline that you don't want it to be shown, or you can just delete all videos. So for instance, if I pick on delete all time and I proceed to delete, all my YouTube history has been cleared. To see many content like this, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.